Here we have a 2014 Ford Transit Connect. It's got roughly 57,000 miles on the clock, and it's the 1.6 diesel engine, the TDCi Duratorque. Now if you've done an oil change or a service and you've got this warning coming up on your dashboard, I've also got a brake lamp warning there which I need to address. But we've done the oil and filter change and we've still got this warning on the dashboard. So I'll show you how to reset that. So with the ignition off, this is where we're starting. Put it to position 2. Just give it a few seconds for everything to kind of settle down, do its thing. And then hold the accelerator and brake pedals down as far as you can, both together, and keep them held down. And hopefully that's reset. There you go, oil reset complete. So you can take your feet off the pedals, ignition off, ignition back on. We'll probably just get the bulb failure warning. That's it now, the oil warning has cleared. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please hit like and subscribe to help us out. Nice one.